Alright.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Death Valley. Weighing in at 328 pounds, the Phenom.
No matter how high the deck is stacked, this one competitor will never give up.
Well, as long as never giving up is the only strategy they bring with them into the ring, the odds are they will always be stacked against them.
Look at the focus and drive in his eyes. Ready to prove he's the best this division has to offer.
Gentlemen, you are looking at a man who is sick of the doubters, sick of being questioned about his potential. And I can't disagree with him.
I expect tonight to be a night where he can silence the skeptics and prove to be the future of this company.
It will be a tall order, but the confidence he possesses could take him very far.
Don't overlook his opponent, a superstar who is tired of living in the shadows.
Oh, it is a great...
Just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
Oh, he knew what was coming. Stiff hammer. Ah, what a smash!
That is just insulting.
Oh, a handful of hair.
Into a mat slam.
Hoping to end it early.
And he breaks the pin right away.
A little too soon for that cover to be effective, but he is making a statement by going for it at this point.
Oh, what a knee lift. Oh, what a leg drop. Stomping down.
Trapped in the corner, no way out.
Shot after shot.
Oh, look at this ruthlessness in the bottom turnbuckle.
Down with the leg drop.
The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
He has a task at hand, but prefers to be showboating right now. Ooh, he's running into some problems here, guys.
He somehow has to get himself back in order again.
Oh, what a knee lift.
Able to avoid there. Body press. Yes, he didn't come here to watch him boast and taunt.
Ooh, good contact. Connects on the kick.
Look at this. Snap suplex.
He may be in a bad way here.
And hanging tough, but beginning to show some wear and tear. Might want to think about picking up the pace a bit.
Suplex.
Goes into the pin.
Wrist lock applied. Oh, man, look at this power.
Turning the tables. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, flipping the script on him there.
Implanted by the DDT.
Well scouted reversal there.
Good golly, Miss Molly.
Senton! The damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
Just stomping every single part of his body. Gonna take it old school. Look out. Old school.
Up to the top rope now. From the top. Are you kidding me?
Popped up. No way.
Yes way.
What power.
Stone Cold Driver.
Good luck getting up from that. That's gotta be it. 2.
And that'll finally do it. What a victory.
Here is your winner, the Phenom.
What a win for him here.
He really displayed his prowess in victory.
He was as on top of things as he could possibly be here tonight, and look how it paid off.
The future is iconic.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring, accompanied by Billie Kay, representing the Iconics.
Well, here comes the girl with the shiniest wizard.
A competitor that's shown she possesses tremendous heart from bell to bell.
A true inspirational superstar.
And from the Welsh Valleys, Tegan Knox.
Well, Tegan was betrayed by her former best friend Dakota Kai in the first ever women's War Games match.
All that says to me is that Tegan Knox simply isn't a very good best.
Tegan Knox out here and ready for action tonight.
And more than ready, Michael. One thing I know about Tegan Knox is that she is in the zone. She is in the mind frame. She does not want to waste any time. She wants to get this matchup.
Actually, let me get that my TV started for tonight.
Knox won't have to wait any longer.
And she'll be dealing with a very motivated Peyton Royce. Peyton Royce is out here to prove that she's as dangerous as she is beautiful.
Yeah, Royce is as graceful as they come in the ring with a very bad attitude to boot. Gotta wonder if she'll be putting her face here tonight.
Mounting. And hammering away.
Oh, get ready. She knows exactly what she's doing with this submission hold.
Oh, no way. Look at this. She releases the hold.
That's a little surprising, no?
And setting him up. Oh, the knee to the face.
That's gonna hurt.
Chop block.
Brilliant. Right to the back of the knee.
Devastating kick.
Insulting.
Tegan caught by surprise. Oh! And she goes for the pin. She breaks the count quick.
Clearly, she's still got a lot of fight left in her.
Oh, saw it coming.
Here's the thing. For someone who's been on the shelf as many times as Ted,
And that just won't get it done. She flips it back on her. Goodness, did you hear that chop? And misses on the springboard. Able to reverse that one.
oh, right to the side of the face.
And countouts are legal, so hopefully this will be a short trip outside.
Rocked by the hip attack.
Producing a trampling. Peyton Royce turns it around. Shoulders down. Shoulders up before two. Wow.
Uh-oh. What a takedown. Fujiwara armbar.
Right on the arm.
Telling the opposition, you are way out of your depth here. Oof. She is not abused in the slightest.
That spinning leg lariat.
Peyton proving just how dangerous she can be there.
She turns it right around with a chokeslam, sends them crashing.
Peyton's out of it. Oh, man, forget the count. She's got more punishment in mind.
Try to end it.
And she breaks the count.
She is still in this fight.
She got the shoulders down.
For the ropes to save the matchup. That was close. This is her time to shine, and don't you forget.
The pose. Looking to end it here.
This could be it.
1, 2, 3. And that'll be it. Finally a victory. What a hard-fought win. Here is your winner, Tegan Knox.
What the hell?
They
Excuse me? What? What just happened? It was a blackout. I know. I saw that. What the hell? I don't know what happened. It was a blackout, which I don't know why. Oh my God.
And here we have a superstar who's been grinding his teeth at the Performance Center as of late.
Yeah, a consistent work ethic is what you're talking about, Michael. He's not someone who will rest on his laurels.
He never has been, and that dedication is what puts him in position to win tonight.
Damn.
And in the other corner is Mrs.
Oh my,
Foley's
stop it down.
baby.
Morale.
This
Hey,
man has
fun.
fought through it all. Barbed wire,
Oh,
thumbtacks, flaming
dude.
tables, and he's got the scars to prove it.
I really hope things don't go that far in the ring tonight, Corey, but you never know with the hardcore legend Cactus Jack.
To stop in every single part of his body. Now trampling the opposition. Perfect kick.
And it's Cactus
Oh,
Jack
what the
with
hell?
reversal.
Oh.
DDT. Cover. Shoulders are down. No, a kick out.
It's not over yet. Plenty left to... What the heck? Are you kidding me? No way.
And Cactus Jack is looking a little less dangerous after that attack.
He's got him in his grasp.
Well-placed kick.
Oh, looking to torture their opponent. Oh, this isn't going to be good. Oh, man. Things are getting risky. This will not end well. Oh, my goodness.
My God. Oh, can you imagine?
Sliding back in. Comes back into the ring. Right across the top rope.
That'll grind the features right off your face.
Cactus Jack is having problems here.
This is Cactus's perseverance being tested.
That's pretty cool.
I'm a little uncomfortable watching this
Well,
guy.
maybe don't expect a Cadillac massage.
Uh-oh.
He had it scouted.
Jack reversing the momentum on him.
Good chance for Cactus to gain his wits about.
Does he have him here? And he kicks out of the pin at one.
Still not enough to put him away. He manages to escape it.
Good night.
For the win!
There's two. And that'll about do it, folks.
Kids do.
Here is your winner, Fiend.
Wrestle perhaps the perfect match.
The
Never
Fiend
down in this one.
wins.
An absolute statement by the victor here tonight. What a steamrolling.
Oh my. Oh God, dude. Damn. What a match. Jeez. Uh-oh. Oh no. Continue. Do we need to press 5? Oh. Oh boy. It's not good. Oh, nope. Damn it. And why not? I don't care. I don't care. Why not? Oh boy. Arthur Morgan. Cool. Looks like I'm playing Red Dead 2 again. It looks like it. Okay. Okay. Never mind. Oh. Oh.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Montana, weighing in at 254 pounds, Arthur Morgan.
No way.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what horse?
The high horse this superstar always seems to be on.
Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you?
He said his name, Arthur
The
Morgan.
competition level has never been higher. But this guy's
Damn,
ready to
that's
prove he
awesome.
can hang.
I don't know that. Oh, that's so cool. Arthur Morgan. Wow. Uh-oh.
And here we have a superstar with a big chip on his shoulder.
He has certainly felt overlooked recently.
Well, he has a chance to change that perception in this matchup.
And then you have someone like Doink. Even with the costume and the clown makeup, there's no hiding the monster underneath.
Yeah, I'm going to have to agree with you here, Saxton. Doink has a twisted streak a mile long. He takes delight in punishing his opponents. That's where this Joker gets his laughs.
Nice takedown.
Oh, stomping away. Ooh, well-planted knee.
Ouch.
Watch this incredible core strength. Up and
Power into the regal plex.
Sent into the corner. Going up to the top. What are we going to see here?
Dragon sleeper locked in. Oh, oh, and a knee to the face. Everything working against Doink now.
Yeah, Doink needs to rethink his strategy fast.
Rolling neck snap. Doink getting a taste of his own medicine there on the receiving end of some pretty effective punishment.
He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of moments. Doink steers clear there.
I'm going to ask Corey, what do you think Doink needs to do here to get the upper hand?
Doink loves to play evil tricks, but he needs to stay serious and keep his focus in this one. Few folks are as dangerous than a focused Doink the Clown.
He's entered a state of distress now.
Yeah, every attempt to fight back's being negated.
And the knee.
Oh, look at this. German suplex. And not done yet. Another German. And continuing to punish their opponent with a German.
Lands an elbow.
He's absorbing some tough hits now.
At this stage of the match, they are clearly starting to feel the effects of this back and forth.
Trapping their opponent's arm. Crossface submission time. Send in the clown car. Doink's done. I have no idea how he has an emphatic victory. Here is your winner, Arthur Morgan. This was his dominant
Arthur
win as I've ever
Morgan.
seen, guys.
Wow.
This
Good
is
job,
what you get
Arthur
when you have
Morgan.
complete confidence
Welcome
and
to
control of the situation.
WWE. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. I can take him out. No problem. Okay. Nope.
And his opponent from Cameron, North Carolina, weighing in at 195 pounds, Jeff Harry.
I can't watch this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop.
And you are looking at one of the most unshakable superstars
Oh my.
on the roster.
Absolutely a picture of resilience. He's been through ups and downs, but has never given up the fight.
Bitter perseverance is what will make him such a threat in this matchup.
Yeah, but have you seen Omos? Just look at him. What are you supposed to do with a guy like that?
I think you hit the nail on the head. I don't think words can properly convey the sight of this young superstar. And that's before you see the power that he brings to the table. He's a little inexperienced, but when you can do what he can, it tends not to matter.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
There he goes, right into the corner. Not where you want to be right now.
Absolutely not.
He's got him in trouble up on the top rope. Oh, avalanche arm drag. It almost doesn't matter who he's facing. This has got to be a walk in the park for Omos, right?
Well, you'd think that.
High risk here.
I don't know what more we could see in this match. From the top.
High risk. Hurricanrana. Right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
A picture-perfect moonsault. Two. Barely kicks out.
So close. That could have been it.
Look at that. Everything working against Omos now.
Omos has to weather a storm here.
There's a snapmare.
And a basement drop kick.
Omos with great awareness.
He's going for it all. To the sky. Through the air. And connects.
And after that, you know things have just kicked up a notch.
Pedal to the metal right now.
Oh my god.
Sliding back into the action.
We're going to finish it off. Omos won't come back from that.
No, he beats the count.
I don't know how he just kicked out, and I'll tell you what, I don't really think he knows either.
How draining was that? Can it be done again? Can that maneuver be summoned at least one more time? And the pressure on Omos continues to mount.
Omos has to weather a storm here.
No, man, that hurts.
And up the turnbuckles we go. Taking flight.
What a splash.
Into the cover. Feet on the ropes.
Wait.
Come on, rub open your eyes.
No way. Jeff Hardy.
Here is your winner, Jeff Hardy.
That came out of nowhere.
Oh man.
Unexpectedly quick end to this match.
As always, Cole, you're more
Jeff
quick
Hardy.
than I am, so
God
I'll just say-
damn, dude. Dude, it's so good. Ba. My god, dude.
He's not even supposed to be here.
Yeah, the official trying to pull him off, but a relentless assault. And now he's calling for some help. Somebody's got to break this up.
The damage has already been done.
Get him out of here.
And you are looking at one of the most unshakable superstars on the roster.
Absolutely a picture of resilience. He's been through ups and downs, but has never given up the fight.
Bitter perseverance is what will make him such a threat in this matchup.
But he'll be taking on an individual who is turning a lot of heads as of late. He's gained a level of popularity that is steadily growing week by week, and he wants to prove that the hype is legitimate.
Oh, foot just stomping down. Into the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target.
Muay Thai knee strikes.
Counters, this could be an opportunity.
My God. Did I just see John Morrison beat the shit out of the referee? What the fuck? Dude, no way.
And a double axe handle smash.
And I got it on live stream too. Holy shit. I saw it on live stream. My bad. No, it's fine. Okay.
He's taking some good hits. If he can hold the line here, he'll be in a good position. What's he being put in?
Oh my God.
There was some power behind that punch. What a punch. He steers clear of contact.
Textbook side Russian leg sweep. These will keep you down.
Uh-oh. Oh, shit.
Grabs the leg.
Look at this. He just tossed the leg. Dodges out of the way. Turning the throat there.
Oh, look at that torture their opponent. Oh, this isn't going to be good. Oh, man. Incredible impact.
That is attacking with malicious intent.
Placing them right where they want them, into the corner. Oh, look at the... Man, that hurts. And he continues to mount on the pressure, keeping the pressure on. Big boot. We might be close to the end.
This is nothing short of disturbing.
Oh, so frightening. So bizarre, so eerie. Welcome
Get worse.
to Sister.
Amazing, Kevin. Shoot that up again.
Is it enough? The cover. What in the world?
Oh, that was more than close. That was inches away from 3.
Hold on. Is he thinking of the submission here? Look at the torque. There's no escape.
His singles match has come to an end.
Here is your winner, Bray Wyatt.
A surprisingly...
Ray, what? Uh-oh. Oh my God.
Using his body as a weapon.
What? Oh shit. Weird.
The following contest.
And here comes one of our favorites.
Edge. Uh-oh.
And from New York, weighing in at 258 pounds, Eddie.
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is...
And the bell is rung, getting this tag match started.
When you think of tag teams that are itching to make an impact on tonight's event, you don't have to look any further than these two.
Two teams with a desire to steal the show.
Stomping the leg.
Uh-oh. Oh, nothing fancy there.
Stomping. Ouch. And what a reversal from Jey Uso.
Answering back. Elbow drop right on point. Vicious right forearm. Oh, what a clubbing blow. And now Jey is getting beaten down. Yeah, but Uso's just one move from turning this around. This match grinded him down a little.
What makes a great tag partner, Cole, is knowing when to tag. We'll find out soon enough if he's even a good tag partner.
Oh, solid contact there. Got him set up in the corner of the ring.
Another.
One for good measure.
Running Bulldog.
He switches it back around.
Dominating cross body.
He's just dominating at this point.
That's what he does. Keep on the attack.
To stomp in every single part of his body. Float over. Into a DDT. Tags him in. Wicked roundhouse kick. Vice-like grip on the throat, up and down with a choke slam. Tagged into the action. What now? Stop right in the gut. Talk about dismantling your opponent. Good timing with that reversal. Reversal after reversal. These two are ready for each other. Oh, right to the kidneys. Golly. Ooh, that might have just broken something. He's lost some of his wind now. Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal forearm. Jimmy's looking helpless to every attack.
Yeah, Jimmy keeps getting cut down at every move.
Enough is enough. Over and over. So much aggression.
Absolutely spiked. DDT. 2 count.
Brutal knee right to the face. Now we see Jey Uso. Hard ride to the outside.
The fight is being brought right to it. This.
Jimmy's eyes look glazed over.
Hazardous position as Jimmy gains his footing.
Ouch. It's all academic at this point. Makes a cover. 2, 3. Wow, he's going to celebrate all night.
Oh my god. Damn.
Here are your winners.
Tag team chemistry in full effect with these two superstars. They say when you know, and I know there's no tag team on the roster that can touch these two guys.
Oh, hold on. I want to do something actually. Shit. Oh my God.
And his opponent from parts unknown, weighing in at 278 pounds, the Superstar.
Just look at the swagger on display. I love it. Swagger.
And here we have a superstar who's been grinding his teeth at the Performance Center as of late.
Yeah, a consistent work ethic is what you're talking about, Michael. He's not someone who will rest on his laurels.
He never has been, and that dedication is what puts him in position to win tonight.
Yeah, but meeting him in the ring's quite an obstacle. There's nothing about this superstar that signifies he'll be a pushover.
Boom on the button.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm.
And the unabated offense continues.
Yeah, but he's always one counter away from changing things.
Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now.
And his eyes are piercing through the opposition now. Oh, attacked in the midsection. The power, the strength, and now just pressing. And a drop. He's looking a little off balance.
He planned for this and could still rally.
From the top. And he's showcasing some dominance here.
Yeah, it seems like he can't be stopped.
Oh, my, what a splash. Slips out of the way. Shoulder tackle.
I'll watch this display of power.
Ooh, well measured. Ooh, stinging kick.
Oh, look at this power.
Oh, God.
Drives his opponent down with a Uranagi. Punch. Nasty.
That'll break his arm.
Vicious.
He turns it around.
Slam.
Got to find a way to get out of this.
Stirring back to his feet, but he might not know where he is. He saw it coming.
Slides down the backside. Boom! Attacking the knee. Oh, looking to cripple the leg.
Able to evade. Dominating shoulder tackle.
German suplex. But that's not all.
And a ripcord lariat. What a combination.
Thanks for coming.
Is it enough to secure the victory? 2.
And that's how she wrote.
Corey, I want to tell you something. This has been building for a long time, and it's finally going to break down right now, I think. You can really just feel the tension in the air.
You're absolutely right. I don't think we're going to have to wait much longer.
No, not at all. He's going to take the fight right to him. The official trying to prevent this from happening, but this is going to be bad. This is going to be really bad if it breaks down to the aisleway here.
Let him fight. Let him fight now.
Trash talking. Oh, here we go. And another one. And here we go now. Rights and lefts. Brawl underway. Here's security trying to separate these men.
Let him fight. Let him fight now.
Oh, my God.
Oh my God. Damn. Oh, that was brutal.
Welcome to Monday Night Raw.
It's uncut. It's uncooked. And it's just started. But you've got 3 hours of epic action to make this day just a little bit brighter.
Byron, I'm surprised you're allowed to stay up this late. We'll get you a nightlight.
Cool.
Oh no.
Guess what time it is? Oh no.
Saxton, was that your alarm clock?
This guy freaks me out.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from the bottomless pit. Weighing in at 260 pounds, the Boogeyman!
Put the kids to bed, and Saxton, you too for that matter, unless you want to see something very unpleasant.
Looks like the referee is motioning to these superstars, trying to get them into the ring. Yeah, come on. Let's get this match started the right way.
Well, I, for one, don't see anything wrong with this.
You're looking at a well-traveled superstar who has seen a lot in the ring.
With experience comes confidence. There's nothing you can throw at this competitor that could phase him in the slightest.
He'll be looking to utilize that wisdom in this matchup.
Well, I hope he isn't afraid of worms, because he's got to deal with the freaking Boogeyman.
Yeah, and if you think his entrance is unsettling, wait till you see him in the ring. Boogeyman is as athletic as he is terrifying. And Corey, he's pretty darn terrifying.
So what is the best strategy to defeat the Boogeyman?
I know Saxton's plan at ringside is to lay there like a slug. It's his only defense. But if you're in the ring with Boogeyman, I'd say don't get caught up in the smoke and mirrors. Control your nerves and take the fight to him. Like any bad dream, he'll go away.
And the Boogeyman is now in a demoralizing spot.
This guy is looking past the smoke and mirrors of the Boogeyman. He's controlled his nerves and taken the fight to Boogie thus far.
Looking to take flight here. From the top. And for some reason, he stops the count. Working on the arm. Ooh, treading all over their opponent. Boogeyman retaliates. Finally, Boogeyman's able to interrupt these attacks for a moment.
Could be what Boogeyman needed to ignite a round.
Oh my God. Ooh.
Lethal weapon. Face crusher. Boogeyman timed that one.
Punch right in the head.
Nice hip toss. Byron, this looks like an opportunistic comeback here. This superstar. Oh, turning things around in a major way.
Can they maintain?
And gets out of trouble by fighting out of that one.
Feeling like it's over for the Boogeyman.
Cover. 1, 2, 3. And this one is over.
Here is your winner, Eddie.
And that seemed like a pretty easy day at the office right there.
Oh. Dominic. Yeah, that's Dominic Mysterio there. Bum, 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 bum. Nah, I'm kidding. Mm-hmm. Let's see something actually. Hold on. Okay, never mind. It's all good.
What are they doing out here? The superstar in the ring is expecting another opponent. This is... Oh, now I get it, Byron. Now I get it. Oh, no, no. This superstar attacked the person who was supposed to be in this matchup. And now they get beat. Possibly one of the biggest pop culture icons of all time squaring up here. Mr. T is no stranger to getting physical.
What a legend. Mr. T was everywhere when I was a kid. He was a viral sensation before that was even a thing.
With such a gruff and rough demeanor and a positive message, it's not hard to understand what makes Mr. T a household name.
And then put yourself in Shawn Michaels' shoes tonight. This is arguably the greatest of all time. He's had enough of the blatant disrespect come his way.
Heartbreak Kid hasn't been the most noble of character himself. But the bell's already rung, and focus has to be placed on winning matches, not what people say in the locker room or on the internet. Take a good look at a real-life Titan, folks.
Okay. No Dominic Mysterio. It happens. Oh, here we go. Rita. Here we go. Oh, man. Oh, my God. My girl, Rita. Rita. Oh, Rita. By Kane.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Miami, Florida, Lee Day.
The moment this match was announced, the WWE Universe has expected a clap. Tegan Nox out here and ready for action tonight.
And more than ready, Michael. One thing I know about Tegan Nox is that she is in the zone. She is in the mind frame. She does not want to waste any time. She wants to get this matchup started.
Well, Nox won't have to wait any longer.
Yeah, facing her in the ring is a woman who's been salivating at this opportunity. A woman who's more dangerous now than she's ever been.
Russian leg sweep. Ooh, well measured.
She goes for the quick pin. And for some reason, she stops the count. And now she's looking to go top rope.
Blast off! Picture perfect leg drop from the top.
And Nox is really being knocked around here.
And Nox has to turn the playbook page in a hurry.
Ooh, she hit the corner hard.
She's feeling the hurt here.
She still has a lot of time to recover, though.
Oh, no.
Drop kick to the spine.
She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.
She looks hell-bent on finishing things right now.
Drop kick hits the mark.
Corey, what do you think she needs to do here to get the advantage over Tegan Nox?
You have to stay on top of Tegan Nox at all costs. Nox has that never quit, never say die attitude, but the thing about that attitude is that eventually it's just not enough. It might take a while. Grinding her down is the best option.
Momentum's breaking away from her.
She's just staying on top of Nox here, grinding her down.
And another counter.
Smart, attacking the arm.
Did you see that? The arm getting pummeled.
And Tegan moves out of the way.
Jumping clothesline. What agility. Mr. Fate. This could be big. Going up high.
Flying with the moonsault.
That's it. Nox is out. It's over. All in a night's work.
Rita wins.
Here is your winner, Lee Day.
What an emphatic victory, guys. No contest.
This is what you get when you have complete confidence and control of the situation.
Uh-oh, nope.
Byron, are you ready for the madness?
Oh, you know it. Or should I say, oh, yeah, Michael.
The following contest is a triple threat match and is for the WWE Universal Championship. Introducing the challenger from Sarasota, Florida, weighing in at 239 pounds, Macho Man Randy Savage.
Randy Savage brings the magic each each and every time he enters the ring with his unparalleled skill and agility. Often imitated, never duplicated.
The tail repel, too sweet to be sour, funky like a monkey. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Just when I thought you couldn't be any more embarrassing, Saxton, you even outdid yourself.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, that's funny. Oh my God, that's too funny.
One of the biggest hearts in the history
Oh my God.
of WWE, John Cena. This is always a match with enormous interest for the landscape of the entire WWE.
This capacity crowd is waiting with bated breath. The Universal Championship. It doesn't get bigger than this.
The bell is rung and you can feel the excitement in the air. The WWE Universe has been eagerly awaiting this match. Well, with the Universal Championship up for grabs, history will be written here tonight. So you know we're seeing these competitors at their very best. There they go. Ooh, what a damaging blow. Cena is unable to stop this string of offense.
Cena needs to find some energy fast. Cena telegraphed that.
And back in the ring we go.
And now he's giving you all another chance to simply take it all in.
Now Savage sent to the outside with authority.
He's heading back to the ring.
Fisherman suplex.
Big clothesline.
Stomping away.
Quick sidestep by Moose.
What a clothesline. Ouch. Boy, what sort of game plan works for a superstar going into a triple threat match?
You absolutely need superior ring awareness. Far too often we've seen superstars forget about the other opponent and they end up getting blindsided.
Challenger's a little worse for wear now. In triple threats, the damage comes twice as fast. He knew that coming in. Savage with amazing reflexes. Vicious knee. All right, back to it. Returning to the ring. Getting set up for something in the corner. Randy Savage connected with a good shot there. Dig it.
Oof, and all the impact brought to the knee.
Impressive display of dominance from Savage.
And the madness cannot be stopped.
He gets set down to the floor. Power slam. Good night.
There was some power behind that punch.
And Boots gets stonewalled. He's back into the ring. Forced out of the ring.
Michinoku driver.
Oh, new champ. And he breaks up the count. A blow to the back of the neck.
From behind. Back suplex.
High knee right between the shoulders. Crushing the knee there.
Ruthless striking. Cena stays off the attack. Punch lands. Counters.
Coming back into the ring, back to the action. He's been placed in the corner now.
Vicious right forearm.
Cena now taking the brunt of the attack.
Cena's perseverance being tested. Scoop slam.
He is truly feeling it right now. As well he should.
Clothesline, so effective. Looking for a high-risk move.
From way up high.
That one fails to land. Missed the mark.
Crashing down.
Samoan drop.
Axe handle. Ooh, Miz escapes the attack.
Lariat. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already. Looking wobbly in the corner.
Striking with a knee. And this match will head back to the ring.
Let him have this moment. He's earned it.
Kick to the midsection. Sunset flip.
Into a powerbomb.
Macho Man able to come back. Oh, what a strike to the back. Well-placed kick to the gut. Another damaging nice combo. He's a projectile now. Randy Savage heads up. Perched on the top rope.
The champ's eyes were glazed over.
Incoming. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. Rope break. Pin stops.
This is getting intense. Someone check on Saxton.
Ooh, the arm taking a brunt of that. Ooh, bullseye.
And a kick.
Rick Boone's out of harm's way.
Clothesline. Momentum on the side of Randy Savage. Few bring the in.
Uh-oh, this is not going to look pretty. Submission being applied.
Plenty of an submission maneuver here. Look at the pain as he forces his opponent to tap out. And now
Oh my God.
Championship can do all the talking. Here is your winner and the new WWE Universal Champion, Macho Man Randy Savage. You can just feel it. Their championship dream has become reality.